guys, it's your girl Kayla Monet, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do passion twists in my friend's Dressier's hair today. So if you guys are interested, please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe, like, and comment. Yes. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hey guys, so here I'm adding a little bit of Shine and Jam edge control to the part to make it a little bit cleaner and crispy. I'm sure you guys already know how to do this. In the link in description box, I will definitely drop all the products below, so please be sure to look there so you can buy these products. During the remainder of the video, I will be peeking in just to speak a little bit more about the process that I am doing. However, I am going to speed up the video just a little bit so it's not boring you all too much. Here I am just separating the hair so that I can have a clean, straight, square part. I am also brushing and combing through the product throughout the hair so you don't see any clumps or white edge control anywhere. Even though this product doesn't turn that white, you'll still see a little bit of residue once you wrap the rubber band around. So please, please, please comb it through. So we are officially all done with all of the boxes. Now we are going to start the twist. So first I'm going to start by separating one of the squares out and applying a rubber band or a hair tie to the top of the hair to hold it up and get it out of my way. But yes, and so here's the hair. I will link the description in the box below, so please stay tuned for that. As you guys can see, the parts are very crispy, no white residue anywhere in the hair, so that is an A+ for me. This hair, you have to pull it out and make sure that it's fluffy in order for the twist to be a little bit thicker and for it to hold the curl as well, because you don't want a crunchy curl or twist. So I am applying the hair as a normal box braid would start off. And as you guys can see here, you braid. I am super sorry about the angle, guys. It should have been a little bit better. I do apologize again. So here I am twisting and braiding at the same time, wrapping her hair in and making sure that it is tight and not slipping away from the rubber band. I braided down about 4 times with this one. It should have been less than that, but I like to get it really tight and gripped in there. And as you can see, now I am starting to twist. I am twisting as I am twisting so that the hair will stay into place. I do add a little bit of edge control just to make sure her hair is tucked in and there is no pulling away from the hair that is added. So here it is. It's pretty self-explanatory as you start twisting down. Normal twist, just make sure the hair is not poking out in any of the sections, and twist as you twist down. again to move to the top, I made sure to fluff the hair out again. And sorry guys, I was focusing the camera just a little bit more. And sorry about the angle, but here it goes. Here goes the top part. We are adding the hair, twisting the real hair around the fake hair to make sure that it is tucked in and underneath the twisting hair. So yes, pretty much self-explanatory again. If you guys know how to braid hair, this should come accustomed and be super easy for you all. Okay guys, so we are all done with the passion twist. Now we're going to use the scissors to go in and cut a little bit of the extra pieces at the bottom to make them look a little bit more natural and not as bulky and fluffy as she didn't want. So we did go in and cut at least 3 to 4 strands off of each twist. There is clear rubber bands at the bottom if you cannot see them in the video. But yes. Okay guys, we have finished the trimming process. It is all natural and just how she liked it. So now we're going to go in with a little bit of mousse to lay down all the flyaways and make sure that they are all tucked into these twists and there is no natural hair showing. But now we are going to go in and style as well. So please stay tuned for the next clip to show you the finishing touches. Guys, my girl is ready. These twists are sleek and all in place. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my first video. Please like, subscribe, and comment anything that could help me out with a different technique. If you guys suggest anything, please comment down below. Love you all.